How to reset your forex.com password. Are you guys facing issues to reset your forex.com password? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. If you have forgotten your forex.com password, go to sign in page, and once you enter there, you can see this option for I forgot my password. Just simply tap on it. Once you click on it, enter the email address or username linked to your account. Then submit the form. Once you submit the form, you'll receive an email with a link. Click it to open the password reset page. Create and confirm a new secure password. Then submit to update it. For future security, Forex.com recommends logging into my account, navigating to profile or account settings, and using change password to update your password regularly. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to reset your password on Forex.com. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.